Hey YouTube, Dylan here, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to draw one of the most popular Cartoon Network characters, Steven Universe. So, like this video, hit that subscribe button, grab a pencil and piece of paper, let's begin. Steven Universe's head is shaped a little differently than most human heads, and he's a younger character. So you just put a circle on top and an oval on bottom. Like, creates an upside down light bulb shape. And then we're going to put a square, kind of a rounded square for his basic body. And some rectangles or maybe sideways ovals for his hands. And remember to draw lightly at first. So that way, when you make mistakes, you can either erase them real easily or cover them up with darker lines. And then we'll put like three different squares to indicate his legs. This leg's going to be a little detailed, and this leg is going to be straighter. Now we need to put in the center lines to know where the middle of his face will be. Okay, we got our basic building blocks. Now it's time to draw his face. We'll start with the nose. Mostly we start with eyes, but for this drawing we're going to start with the nose. It's just going to be like a straight line going up and two straight vertical lines for the nostrils. Now we're going to draw his eyes. His eyes will just be these large oval shapes. Just darken these. Okay, now we'll draw his pupils. And they'll just be sideways ovals. And they're going to be on the right side of the eye, so that he's looking in the right. And then we'll shade them in black. Okay, now let's draw his eyebrows. They're just going to be like these flattened sideways ovals. Like this. And then one of them's going to be down a little. Then shade those in. All right, now let's draw his mouth. We're gonna make him smile. And he's gonna have a big toothy grin. So we'll make his mouth will be kind of a hot dog shape. And then we'll draw his teeth. Okay, now we need to draw his head. Define it by drawing the curved sides. And get the side here as well. And then we'll draw like a backward C shape for his ear. And now we need to draw his hair. So we're just gonna put a curved line over the top of his head. To connect that, we need to draw like a forward C shape to draw hair that goes over his ear. And then we bring that curve down to here. Okay, now let's draw his hair. And his hair is gonna have like 5 bumps. It's curly hair. So you draw these upside down U shapes going in different directions. Okay, now let's shade in her hair. Let's shade in his hair. It's gonna be black. And get the top as well. And the side. All right, there it is. Now, before we get on to his shirt, we need to draw this star that's in the middle of his shirt. And a star typically has these triangles with soft tips. So it's a little complicated, so take your time. The typical guide to drawing stars isn't exactly gonna be the best idea for this drawing. Okay, now we need to draw his clothes. So we're going to start with this big curve here. And we'll put a sleeve here. And then right down here, we're going to draw his sleeve. And then for his pants, we draw this shallow U shape. Or stretched out U shape. And then we'll draw the middle of his pants. Then we got to draw the zipper, or like the flap. And then we got to draw like the lower like sleeve of the pants. And similar thing with over here, except it's gonna be a bent leg. And to make it look like that, leave some space right there. And then we'll draw another sleeve. Okay, now let's draw his arms. It's just these short arms that go this way. Okay, now let's draw the fingers, starting with the thumb, the main finger, the middle, the final three, and last but not least, the palm that goes like that. Okay, now let's draw his other arm, about the same size as the other. And put the palm line right there. Now we gotta draw his feet. And his feet, he's wearing like flip-flops, not shoes or boots. So we'll just draw like the strap of the flip-flop and the other one right here. And here's the bottom part of the flip-flop. Okay, now here's the other one. And it's going to be shaped a little differently. So we'll draw the basic foot shape. And right here, you're going to draw this kind of, sort of an upside, sort of the half of a heart shape. And the same shape again. Make sure it's a little thin on this side. Draw one toe there. Toe, and then we'll draw 3 of the toes right there. Then we'll get the bottom of the flip-flop. And then we can make him cast a shadow underneath him. Underneath his body. Just take the side of your pencil. And that, my friends, is Steven Universe. I hope you all had fun. I'll see you next time.